You know what vibe coding is? It's kind of like coding without actually having to code. It's like talking to an assistant who will do the coding for you, but then you describe what you want in your own words. And that's exactly what I did to build this word game. I've been a fan of word games since forever, and anagrams are something which I enjoy. But this game has always been single player, right? I've never been able to play it with somebody else. So I thought I'll build a multiplayer version of it using Rune. So Rune is a vibe coding game engine essentially, and it comes with multiplayer capability out of the box. So let me show you the game I built, and then I'll talk about how I went about doing it. So this is a preview of both players. I can just play on one window. I think this, I know the answer, but let me try to move the letters around. It is Titan. Okay, yeah, it just worked. So my score is 1 now. I think this is Pigeon. PI, I need to know I here, G, and then E, and O gets what? It's Pigeon. Yeah. And then finally, this looks like grenade. No, it's not grenade. There's only one E. Shuffle the word and make it easier. Garden, probably. Garden, but it's okay. This is a bug. So although I've finished I've got the word right, it doesn't work. So there was probably another word which will satisfy the win condition, which I have. I'll just keep it. Let me go. Give up. I added this functionality as well. It's danger, not garden. And let's see about this. This is, I think, violet. E-I-O. Yeah. So I won the game. So how did I go about doing this? I started with this platform. You just create an account, and then you give it a prompt. Try to make the prompt a little bit more detailed, so your game is slightly more polished. But initially, it's not going to make everything you ask it to do. So you'll need to iterate. You'll need to give it clarifications. It'll ask you a few questions actually. So it wanted to ask me, do you want an automatic new round, or do you want a manual restart? I think I said manual restart, and then the win condition, 3 wins is what I said works for me. And then it made a first version. It was a little rough, but then I kept adding and I kept iterating. Finally, this is the game you see. And there was one interesting problem in between. When I added the timer, the animation started glitching because it was refreshing the game with every second or so. So then I had to kind of debug. Again, why debugging? I don't need to actually go into the code. But if you want to, I think you can. You can also add assets. You can go through the game logs, you can look at the code, but yeah, I didn't want to, and it works perfectly fine. You just need a little bit of patience. You need to spend some time in figuring out what's not working, what's working. And then at the end of it, I think if I spend enough time on it, I'll be able to make a fairly polished game. So this is another challenge I had, right? It had a smaller dictionary to work with. So I expanded the list. I increased the number from 20 to 95 plus. And then I also included anagrams of some of the words. So for example, garden danger should also get detected as a legitimate answer. So I've tried to do all of these. And then I also made a few other things. I generated the sound for the game. The simple sounds which you hear when you click, when you shuffle the word, etc. And it made pretty intuitive sounds as well. So this is how it looks. It's something which I think anybody can easily build without any coding knowledge. You just need a little bit of experience with one of these AI chatbots, and that I think pretty much everybody does. So yeah, do try it out and let me know how it goes.